Good morning, guys. I just want to give you some directions so you know exactly what I expect for today, okay? So first and foremost, today you are taking the midterm. So on your desk at this point, you should have a Chromebook, reference table, calculator, scratch sheet of paper, and a writing utensil, okay? Please make sure the reference tables are the green laminated copies of mine, not your yellow copies, okay? So today you're taking the midterm. It is 50 multiple choice questions. I expect you to read carefully, write out what you're thinking as you're thinking. It'll help you from making mistakes, and make sure you use your reference table. Remember to check your element names, okay? Make sure that as you're taking the midterm, you're reading through everything, you're thinking through it, you know a lot more than you think you do. You should be good to go. Okay. If you run into any technical difficulties, remember to shut the computer down, restart it, try the Canvas kiosk app option instead. That may work. If not, try it the other way again. Sometimes it takes a time or two. We had some login issues. Just be patient. Try a couple times. If it's really not working, go find Misty. You may have to try a different Chromebook. Not to worry. It'll be okay. All right. Remember, you do need to finish the midterm during the class period. So by the end of class, you should be done, which brings us to the next piece, which is after the test. You need to pick up the Unit 5 reading and read and annotate that using a highlighter, underlining, answering all the questions. We'll go over that tomorrow. And you also need to pick up a page 7 rubric. Take a good look at this rubric. It's different. There's a little bit more on the back to help you. In the past, this page has been one that's challenged some people. So I gave you a table on the back. It's very similar to a spiral review assignment you did not that long ago, to help guide you along into what really needs to go on that page. The table's not everything, but it's a good start. And then read the rest of the page and make sure you get what all you need on there. That's due next Thursday. Okay, so go ahead and get a good start on that today. Today you're taking your midterm, so there should be no cell phones out at any point. The substitute should not have to tell you about that. It's a midterm, therefore you cannot have a cell phone out. Also remember that if at any point during the test, if you click out, you need to let your sub know immediately, because I will know and I will have no questions for you. I'll just give you a 0 if I do not find a note when I come back in on Friday, because again, it's the midterm. Guys, this counts 20% of your grade. Do your best. You know more than you think you do. Hopefully you've done the study guides over the last few days, which by the way, you need to turn in after this video. But those study guides were designed to help you. So you should be ready for this, okay? So draw on that knowledge. Hopefully you're prepared, okay? I expect you to be well behaved. I expect no issues at all. If you have any concerns, send me an email later in the day and I'll be happy to get back to you, or a text, whichever. I will be able to check email and text throughout the day, okay? All right, so the passcode for your midterm today is do your best. It's all one word. There's no spaces or anything, so it's just do your best. All one word, nothing capitalized. Good luck, guys. I expect you'll do great. See y'all Friday.